Folks, Nitin here, and this is the AI University channel. In this video, I'm going to cover the remaining portion of intuition behind logistic regression. This is the part 2 intuition video of our logistic regression series. So watch this video till the end to set the foundation in classification family of algorithms. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to this channel, or if you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications about hottest technologies of 21st century. So let's move ahead with the remaining explanation around logistic regression. So let's see this graph where we have independent variable x on x-axis and target or dependent variable on y-axis, for which we want to predict the probability of the outcome, which can be denoted by y hat. The probability values lies in between 0 and 1. Here we want to do predictions using the logistic regression formula in such a way that it should find a best fit line which can fit the data points or observations given in the data set. This is the same practice we did for linear regression model. Only difference here is that the best fit line is not a straight line because data points are not located in random manner. Rather, they are either lying at y equals to 0 or y equals to 1 here. Now let's take 5 random values for independent variable x. Let's say these values are x equals to 15, 30, 45, 75 and 110, and these represents the income in thousand, and we can place them on x-axis. So in order to find out the probabilities, we can project them on the curve first like this. The projected points are marked in green on this curve. These are the fitted values. Now project these data points on y-axis to get the probability values. So what does this infer? Well, the person who has income 15,000 is very less likely to click on the email offer. Let's say the probability is just 0.1%. Now the person who has income 30,000 has the probability of 19% to click on email offer. Person whose income is 45,000 has the increased probability of 55%, and the person with income 75,000 has the probability of 87% of clicking on the email offer. And lastly, person with income 110,000 has the probability of 99.99% to click on the email offer according to this logistic regression model. Now if in case you want to predict or make the predictions instead of probability values, then what we can do is we can draw an imaginary line or threshold line in the middle, let's say 50%. Now any point which falls on this curve below this imaginary line, we will have the predicted values as 0 for them, which means person is not likely to click on the email offer because the predicted probability of clicking on the email offer is less than 50%. In our case, the probability of clicking on email offer associated with person having income 15,000 and 30,000 were 0.1% and 19% respectively. Hence, predicted values for those would be 0, and which means that they may not click on email offer. Y hat would be 0 in this case, and y hat is nothing but the predicted values. On the other hand, if any point which falls on this curve is above or on the imaginary line, then we will have predicted value as 1, which means person is likely to click on the email offer because the predicted probability of clicking on the email offer is more than 50%. In our case, the probability of clicking on email offer associated with people having income 45,000, 75,000 and 110,000 were 55%, 87% and 99.99% respectively. Hence, predicted value for those would be 1, and which means that they are likely to click on email offer. Y hat or predicted value would be 1 in this case. So this is the way logistic regression model can find out the probability or predictions of person going to click on offer or not. Similar way, we can find out whether email is a spam or not a spam, as well as we can find out whether a candidate is going to be elected as president or not in a similar fashion. So folks, this is it for this video. In the next upcoming video, I will be start covering the Python code to develop and train the logistic regression model. So here is today's question. State true or false. The prediction value will be 1 if the probability of target variable is coming as 65%, provided the imaginary threshold line is at 50%. Please post your answers, comments in the comment section given below so that I can get a chance to incorporate your feedback. You can also post your technical questions in the comment section and I will try to answer the same. If you are watching this video and you are not already a subscriber to our channel, consider clicking that little subscribe button. In case you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I will release a new video. So thanks for hanging out with me guys. I will be covering next topic in the upcoming videos, so keep on watching. Thank you.